How to block and unblock Wi-Fi hotspot user. For that, you have to watch this video till the end. First of all, you have to navigate to your device setting. Once you are on your device setting here, you have to just go and scroll down. And once you have been scroll down here, you have to tap on the connection and sharing. Once you have tap on your connection and sharing, here you have to just go and find your hotspot here. So here you can find your hotspot. Once you have find your hotspot here, you have to just go and scroll down, go for the connected devices. Once you are on your connected devices, you can see your block list. So if you have blocked any of the Wi-Fi user, you can find it here. So if you have blocked any of the user, you can find it here. So you can tap on the unblock that username. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily block and unblock Wi-Fi hotspot user. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.